Good morning students. In this video we shall discuss about small signal analysis of a common emitter amplifier with emitter resistor. Here the figure shows a common emitter amplifier with voltage divider biasing. The resistor R1, R2 and Re will provide a biasing to this common emitter amplifier circuit, and the input coupling capacitor C1 will provide a DC isolation between the input source Vs to the amplifier circuit, and the output coupling capacitor will allow only the amplified AC signal to the output and it will block the DC signal. Now let us see how to draw the small signal hybrid pi equivalent circuit of a common emitter amplifier circuit. The points to be followed is that we must short circuit all the coupling capacitor that is present in your circuit. So here the C1, C2 capacitor will be short circuited, and the DC source that is present in the circuit has to be connected to the ground terminal, or it should be short circuited. So if the VCC has been connected to the ground terminal, then the R1 and R2 both will become parallel. So the input sides we can draw as Vs in series RS present, and parallel to the RS your R1 R2 parallel resistors have been present. Then we are going to replace your transistor, base, emitter and collector by its transistor parameters R pi, and here we are going to use a current gain parameter in the output source, that is beta IB, and the output. Here the output R0 is going to consider to be infinity, so we are going to neglect for this equation. So now let us look the small signal equivalent circuit of a common emitter amplifier with emitter resistor. Vs and Rs is present, and in parallel to that Rb resistor, where Rb is nothing but R1 parallel with R2, then the voltage across this Rb is given by Vi, and between the base and emitter terminal the resistor R pi is present, and the voltage across your resistor R pi is given by V pi, and the output side between your collector and emitter terminals we are going to replace by a current source which is given by beta into IB, where IC is equal to beta into IB, and I naught is the current that flows through your collector resistor which is given by RC. Okay, now let us see the analysis part of your common emitter. So first we'll find what is the overall input resistance of a common emitter amplifier circuit we get. So first we must find what is the Ri, where Ri dash is nothing but the resistance that is present in this part is given by Ri. The resistance present here is Rb. So we can simply write Ri dash is equal to Rb parallel with Ri. So for the next we have to find what is your Ri. So to find Ri is nothing but the voltage Vi divided by Ib will give the Ri. So Ri will be equal to Vi divided by Ib. So now to find VR, we are going to apply the KVL to this loop. So if I apply the KVL to this loop, your Vi will be equal to Ib into R pi plus the current that flows through Re is equal to IE. So IE into Re. So I can write the equation, loop equation as Vi is equal to IB into R pi plus IE into Re, where IE can be written as IB plus IC, and IB plus IC, where IC can be written as beta into IB. So from this equation, we can write your Ri will be equal to Vi divided by IB. The IB you are bringing to the denominator, it will be equal to R pi plus 1 plus beta into Re. So the overall resistance Ri dash is given by Rb parallel with Ri, where Rb can be written as R1 parallel with R2 parallel with Ri, where Ri is given by this equation. So next we are going to find what is the current gain of a common emitter amplifier circuit. The current gain is given by the formula output current divided by the input current, where output current I naught from the figure, the output current is given by I naught divided by the input current is given by IB. So where I naught can be written as minus IC, where IC can be written as beta into IB. So we can write the equation as AI is equal to I naught divided by IB, or I naught can be written as minus IC divided by IB. IC can be written as beta into IB by IB. IB by IB get cancelled. So the current gain of a common emitter is given by minus beta. Next, we'll find the voltage gain of a common emitter amplifier circuit. The voltage gain of is given by the formula output voltage divided by input voltage, or we can split this as right as written as V naught divided by Vi into Vi divided by Vs. So first we are going to find the equation for V naught by Vi, then we are going to find the equation for Vi by Vs, then the overall voltage gain can be found as V naught divided by Vs. First, let us find how to find the voltage V naught by Vi. So V naught by Vi will be equal to Vi equation, already we found it. Vi in the previous equation, Vi is given by this equation, and your V naught. What is your V naught from the equation? V naught is nothing but I into R, that is I naught into RC will give V naught. So if we substitute in this equation, you'll get AV is equal to minus beta IB RC divided by this equation. So if from this equation IB get cancelled, so AV V naught by VI is equal to minus beta RC divided by R pi plus 1 plus beta into RE. Or we can further simplify this one as RA equation. And next we want to find what is VI by VS. To find VI by VS, we are going to apply the voltage divider rule to the input side, where VI divided by VS can be written as VI is nothing but the voltage across this resistor divided by total resistance into the total voltage. So VI will be equal to RA dash divided by RA dash plus RS into VS. So if you substitute both the equations in the overall voltage gain, so we'll be getting the overall voltage gain of a common emitter amplifier is given by V naught by Vs will be equal to minus beta Rc divided by R pi plus 1 plus beta into Re to Ri dash divided by Rs plus Ri dash. So further, this equation can be simplified as we are going to take the assumption as Ra dash is greater than Rs and 1 plus beta Re is also greater than R pi. So your overall voltage gain will be given by the equation as minus Rc divided by Re. Next, last thing we are going to find here is the output resistance. To find the output resistance, the independent source Vs is set to 0. If the Vs input source is set to 0, then beta IB will become 0. So we can simply write the output resistance R naught dash is equal to Rc for the common emitter amplifier circuit. Thank you.